Hello friends, I am again back on my channel Coach Veer, and in this video we will talk about this question. The question says if a man travels at a speed of 30 kilometers per hour by a car or something, he reaches his destination 10 minutes late. And if he travels at a speed of 42 kilometers per hour, he reaches his destination 10 minutes early. Like he is driving fast. So what is the distance he had traveled? Let's solve this. Okay, so what we are going to do here is we are given two scenarios and we will try to manipulate them. A to B he is going, and if he is going 30 kilometers per hour, then surely he is going to be reaching at t plus 10 seconds, 10 minutes, because usual time and 10 minutes more. But if he going from A to B on another day with 42 kilometers per hour speed, then he reaches 10 minutes early. And distance between them we don't know, that is what we need to find, that is x. Now our work is that this thing is in minutes, correct, and this thing is in kilometers per hour. So we first convert this thing 30 kilometers per hour in minute. So how to do that? 30 kilometers per hour can be written as 30 by 60 kilometers per minute. So simplify this, you are going to get 1 by 2 kilometers per minute. Same way, why I am dividing with 60? Because hour is equals to 60 minutes. Now 42 kilometers per hour is equals to 42 by 60 kilometers per minute, which we simplify like 30, 21, then 7, and then 10. So 7 by 10 kilometers per minute is the speed, and he is traveling faster. Okay, so first scenario, we will going to use this basic formula: speed is equals to distance upon time. And in the first scenario, if we check that at 1 by 2 kilometers per hour, he is traveling x distance in t plus 10 minutes. Simplify this, we are going to get t plus 10 is equals to 2x. This is our one equation, and there are two variables. Let's go with the another scenario, which says that 7 by 10 is the speed and x distance is same, but time is now little less. Let's multiply this. Cross multiply means 10 is going to be multiplied with x and this thing with 7. So what we are going to get here is 7t minus 7t. Okay, it is 10x. Now our motto is to find the value of x. So what we are going to do here is we will find the value of t. T is 2x minus 10, and we are going to substitute this t value in here in this equation. So what we are going to get is 7, 2x minus 10 minus 70 is equals to 10x. So 14x minus 70 minus 70, this 10x brings this side, so this is going to be the same. So 14 minus 10 is 4x, this is negative 140 equals to 0, 4x is equals to 140, and x is 140 by 4. Cancelling it, half is 70, half is 2, is 35. So x is 35 kilometers, as the speed was in kilometers per minute. So I say option B is absolutely correct, which was already marked, but now you know how to solve it. And if any doubt persists, don't forget to put it in the comment. I really appreciate you guys for making such a lot of views on my channels, and the channel is growing. I'm getting subscribers. Thank you all. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.